Today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about meme coins in the crypto market, Pepe, currently trading around $0.000004. And in this video, we're not just casually looking at the price. We're going to talk about where Pepe stands right now, what's happening in the market around it, what kind of updates and momentum are building behind the scenes, and most importantly, where Pepe could realistically be by 2026. Because let's be honest, nobody is watching this just to hear today's price. You're here because you want to know if this level is an opportunity or a warning sign. At $0.000004, Pepe doesn't look explosive. It doesn't look like it's about to melt faces. It looks quiet, calm, maybe even boring. But if you've been in crypto long enough, you know something very important. The biggest moves often start when things look the most boring. When the hype dies down. When influencers stop screaming about it. When timelines go silent. That's when positioning quietly happens. So today we're breaking down the real scenario. We're going to look at current conditions, overall market strength, liquidity cycles, and realistic projections into 2026 based on how meme coins historically behave during bull markets. Right now, the broader crypto market is moving in waves. When Bitcoin shows strength, capital flows into large caps first. Then it rotates into mid caps. And eventually, when retail confidence builds, it pours into high-risk, high-reward assets, which is exactly where meme coins like Pepe come alive. Pepe doesn't usually lead the market. It follows liquidity. It follows hype. It follows momentum. And that's not a weakness, that's actually how meme coins are designed to function. Since Pepe runs on Ethereum, Ethereum's performance plays a massive role. When Ethereum trends upward and network activity increases, meme coins historically accelerate faster than majors. But when Ethereum struggles, meme coins tend to feel that pressure more aggressively. Right now, Pepe's price action suggests consolidation rather than panic. Volatility has cooled compared to previous explosive phases. That tells us we're not in a euphoric top. We're not in mania. We're in a quieter market environment where traders are cautious and liquidity is selective. That doesn't mean nothing is happening. It means the market is waiting. Waiting for a narrative. Waiting for a trigger. Waiting for that shift in sentiment that can reignite attention. Meme coins thrive on attention. They don't need groundbreaking tech announcements. They need momentum, culture, and community engagement. And Pepe still has one of the strongest brand recognitions in meme culture. It survived its initial hype phase. It didn't disappear. It didn't fade into zero relevance. That survival alone matters going into future cycles. Recently, community engagement has remained steady even without explosive price movement. Social activity fluctuates with market conditions, but the base community remains intact. Liquidity access across exchanges keeps trading friction low, which is critical for meme coin momentum when volatility returns. The longer an asset survives through different market environments, the stronger its psychological credibility becomes in the speculative world. Now let's talk about 2026, because that's where things get interesting. Crypto markets historically move in expansion cycles tied to liquidity growth and investor confidence. If the broader market enters a strong bull phase leading into 2025 and 2026, meme coins will likely experience renewed speculative waves. In moderate bullish conditions, Pepe revisiting higher resistance zones is realistic. A move from $0.000004 toward $0.00001 isn't fantasy in a healthy bull market. That would represent more than a 2x move. And in crypto, 2x moves happen faster than people expect when liquidity flows aggressively. In a stronger bull cycle, where retail participation returns in full force and meme culture dominates social platforms again, Pepe could push beyond conservative targets. Historically, when meme narratives reignite, price expansions can be dramatic. Under high liquidity conditions, levels like $0.00002 or even $0.00003 become mathematically possible. That would represent a 5x to 7x move from current prices. Not guaranteed. Not promised. But structurally possible if macro conditions align and speculative appetite returns. Now let's be realistic. Meme coins are volatile by nature. If market liquidity tightens, if risk appetite drops, or if broader crypto sentiment weakens, Pepe could remain stagnant or face further downside pressure. There are no earnings reports backing it. No revenue models stabilizing it. It moves on psychology and capital flow. That's both its power and its weakness. The key difference between success and regret in meme coins usually comes down to timing and emotional control. Buying during hype spikes often leads to frustration. Accumulating during boredom requires patience. By 2026, if we enter a strong liquidity-driven expansion, Pepe has the potential to trade significantly above current levels. A realistic range in a healthy bull scenario could sit between $0.00001 and $0.00003, with extreme upside only in full-blown speculative mania. So the real question isn't whether Pepe can move. The real question is whether the market cycle will support that move, and whether investors will position before excitement returns or chase it after headlines start trending again.